3, 2, 1, go. Go. Come
I need to see what's in the bag first.
Let's do it.
How do I not know that that bag is empty? Oh. How do I also not know that there's a heart gun in the bag too?
My heart gun is in the thing.
Have you ever heard of wine?
Come here. Come here, look. Come here and shit.
Here, dump out everything and I'll be all the way over here. I'll be all the way over here. Dump out everything. Hold the bag open, facing down for 5 seconds. That was in 5 seconds. That was 1 second.
That's it in there.
I'm not stupid, bro. I just saw you put the stuff in there and then put the heart gun in there.
You know, here, may I trade you this then? I just made it. I made it. See? Look at this. It has the legs and everything. That's legs.
It's just a stick in a bag.
Whatever. Let's just trade now.
I know you're trying to scam me.
No, I'm not trying to scam you actually. Actually, I'm not trying to scam you actually anymore. I don't scam people, okay? I don't scam people. Dude, what about this? Try to get this.
Alright, let's trade this. Let's trade this. Let's trade this.
Hold up. Make get my thing. Yeah, I could trade one. Okay. Where is it? There it is. It's right here.
That's a gun. That's
And
not
I have
even
no
good.
ammo. No ammo. You go over there. See?
I'm not trading that, bro. Get some. Can you like not get something that's already in the shop?
Fine. Try and get this thing.
Bro, I have the $15 version of that, bro. Which is this.
Okay. Okay. What is this? Ooh, what is this? What is this? I have this. No, wait. Fine, I will show you your thing down there.
Bro, that's not even worth it. Get something that's not from the shop.
Get something that's not
Like,
from
get
this?
the stuff, yeah, like, get the stuff that you had before.
Oh, the hammer?
No, like the moon rock and the goop
The
guy.
moon rock? This thing?
Goop guy's
This?
pretty cool. No,
This guy?
no, the moon rock that you had before. Like the things that you had all before.
Oh, I know what you're talking about now. This? Look at this.
No, bro. What can you not buy in the shop that you haven't used?
Do it quick.
No, bro. You don't have anything good. Okay, fine. 3,
Okay,
2, 1. Move. Move.
I got ya.
Scammer gets scammed. Scammer gets scammed. Yep, I'm recording this.
No!
This is going on my YouTube channel. I have almost 700
No!
subs.
No! I'm not doing anything wrong.
Everybody report this guy. He tried scamming me. Okay, fine. Let's trade again. Trade again. Trade again. Trade again. Trade again. Trade again. Then let's trade again. Let's trade again.
Reporting me.
I'm not reporting you.
No, you would.
Let's trade again. Let's trade again. Look, if you don't scam, then I won't post this on YouTube. That's the
Fine.
deal.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. You could get it. You could get it.
Move.
You first.
I'm halfway to you and you're just there.
Get it. It's already right
You're
here.
okay, so maybe go over to the microphone first.
Microphone first?
No, like you
At least
drop
that-
it there.
No. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yep, scammer gets scammed. Scammer gets scammed. Yep, right here. This is his name. Everybody report him to the Discord. Scammer right here.
No!
This is going on YouTube.
I'm
This
not
is going on
a
YouTube.
scammer!
Yes, you are. You literally tried to roll my thing twice. Alright, bro, you in. Alright. So,
Huh?
what do you want to trade for?
I mean, really, I'm not looking.
Here, do you want to
Like,
trade for these two?
you know what? Yeah, I'll trade for that. I'm gonna get stuff on trade real quick. Okay.
Alright, drop it. Bro. Yep, you scammed. You scammed. Alright, guys. This is his username. I have a YouTube channel with almost 700 subscribers. You're going on YouTube.
No, I'm sorry. I'll give
No.
it back.
It's too late. No, it's too
I'm
late.
sorry. Oh, I'm sorry.
Bye.
No, no, please, I'm sorry. Sorry.